All right, so welcome to this week's market review and expectation. As I do every week, I take a look at what I was expecting the previous week against what the markets delivered. And I also take a look at what are we expecting the coming week. And then I also take a look at the news releases. All right, so let's focus on this chart. This is the dollar index, as I always do. In the previous week, as I talked about, I was actually looking at price breaking these highs, right? Sorry, this particular high right here, okay, and then potentially closing in this particular fair value gap and reaching for these highs. Yeah, this high and that high, right? But price did actually deposit, which is okay, right? So price actually retested that's the lower end of the gap, right? Try to reach in there and then filled, all right? And then on Wednesday we dropped, Thursday we dropped lower, and then on Friday we closed we went much lower, right? Which is actually directly opposite to what I was expecting, and it's totally fine. All right, so in the coming week, I'm actually still looking for higher prices in the dollar index, but I want to see some kind of confirmation in the charts. Okay, if you take a look at the weekly charts, there's a weekly charts. Price has closed in this particular fair value gap. We've actually dropped into this bearish fair value gap, or which is now inversion fair value gap, right? And then we dropped into, I think, the midpoint of it. So let me use the fib to check. Okay, they are 50%, right? So 50% is here. Yeah, we went straight into the midpoint of that inversion bullish fair value gap. All right, so we dropped into there and we rejected. Okay, so let's see what's this week, this coming week we are going to expect. In the month of April, in the month of May, we have to expect higher prices in the dollar index. Okay, so let's see if this reaction over here, right here, is going to be the catalyst for price to reach into these highs. Okay, and then filling on a daily level. We have this volume imbalance as I talked about. You can fill in that and then ultimately reach out for this high, and then that's high right there. Okay, so in the coming week, I'll just look for willingness for price to go much higher. Should we reaching back into this particular fair value gap in the coming week, then I'm looking at clearing this equal highs and then filling in this particular fair value gap. Okay, so let's head straight into the fundamentals or news releases to be aware of. All right, so there's a forest factory feed, and then from the 6th to the 10th. So this is the forest factory feed, and then from the 6th to the 10th, these are the news to be aware of. We are looking at the mid impact and then the high impact news release that are affecting the dollar mostly, and then the euro and then the pound. So on Monday there was nothing, just holiday for the yen and then the GBP. And then on Tuesday, GBP construction PMI mid impact at 9:30. Then the holiday, that's French bank holiday, affecting the euro. And then at 6 p.m. we have the 10-year bond auction affecting the dollar. That's the mid impact. Then on Thursday, there's the German bank holiday and then the French bank holiday also affecting the euro. And then on the same Thursday at 12 p.m. we have the lot of news releases affecting the pound at 12 p.m. That's from the Bank of England Monetary Policy Report, Monetary Policy Summary, MPC official bank rates, and both official bank rates. That's when then at 12:30 can talk about BOE government bill list picks, then 1:30 unemployment claims, and 6 p.m. we have the 30-year bond auction, right? And then on Friday we have the GDBP affecting the dollar, the pound. That's the high impact at 7 o'clock, and then 3 p.m. we have the prelim UOM consumer sentiment affecting the dollar at 3 p.m. Okay, that's a high impact. So those are the news to be aware of, mostly on Thursday and then Friday. Okay, so let's see what the market has to offer. Right now, there was no stance. I'm looking at price going high, but I want to see confirmation in the charts before we engage. All right, so let us stay safe. Thank you.